and welcome back to channel. Today I'm going to be going over another trade, another technical analysis on the trade that I took. This trade I took yesterday, the 9th of November. So we're getting two trading videos in a row, technical analysis videos in a row. So this was on the euro versus the US dollar and it lasted about 5 to 6 hours. I think it was about 5 hours. And we made just about $668, so just under $700, which was pretty nice. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through this trade now. So the first thing to note is that during most of my trades I am in college, so it can be quite hard to monitor them because I usually place the trades in the morning, or I place them the night before, and then they're usually running whilst I'm in college, so I get to it can be quite difficult to monitor them all the time. So let's go on to the 1 hour chart here. Now we do have a trend line here. Now trend lines do get a lot of hate. A lot of people say they don't work. They do work. They just need to be traded correctly. Now I don't like trading them in the direction of the trend, so if I'm here now and I'm looking for a trade, I wouldn't be looking to short the position. But I do enjoy looking for the breakouts, and that's what we're looking for here on this trend line. Now if we just look quickly on the 4 hour chart, like so, we can mark out some areas of interest. So we have one right here straight away that I can see, and one right here. Okay, just to have marked up. We don't want to make our charts too complicated, but they're just areas that we might like to see price break. So let's play it now. So there's our initial break. There's another bullish candle. There's 3 bullish candles in a row. So we broke out the trend line fairly easily. Okay, we don't see any bearish candles yet, and we have closed, if you notice, just above this high here. Okay. So now let's continue on, and we stay above for a couple hours. This is the 1 hour chart. So at this stage now, it's currently 10 o'clock at night. Now I'm not going to be getting in the trade at this stage, but I am looking to possibly place an order for the next day. So I actually do place an order for the next day as well. So I place an order for right around here. Okay. Now the reason I place an order for here and not for down here is because of confluence. Now we can just put our take profit all the way up here. And now if we put on our Fibonacci tool, what we notice is that our 38% fib is in line with this area that we marked out earlier on the 4 hour chart. Okay, so I think if price does come down to this level here, it's more likely that it's going to fail. Now I am aware that this is Thursday the 9th of November when I placed this trade, but there is some US economic news. There's a countless jobless claims report for the US, so I know that's going to affect or can most likely cause some volatility in the market, but I don't really let it what's the correct word? I don't let it stop me from placing my positions. So if we just let this play. Now, at this stage we've entered into the trade. Okay, so it pulls our order and we start off in a loss. Let's just zoom in a little bit now. So we do actually end up down probably about 300 quid at one stage when it comes down to 61% fib. But then we do get a nice bounce. So it's 11 o'clock in the morning at this stage, so I'm in college. I'm trying to do a bit of work, and then 1 o'clock rolls around, the news comes out, and the news actually comes out bullish for the dollar. So the jobless claims report is better than expected. However, I'm a technical trader, not a fundamental trader, so I would go based off patterns and not economic news. And we do actually get a bullish candle for the euro despite the bullish news for the dollar, and we get another one. Now again, I'm in college and I can't keep an eye on this trade, excuse me, so I decided to close at this stage. Now what's interesting is that despite making like 600 or 600, 700 odd quid, we actually technically are wrong in the trade, because we just play on. If we stayed in this trade, I would have lost 800 quid. Okay, I would have lost one full or. So it just shows that in trading you don't have to be right all the time to make money. I was wrong in the direction that this price would have went. Price ended up coming back down and touching our stop loss if we stayed in the trade. But if you enter at the right time and you exit at the right time, you can still make money. Now, just before I finish up, I do want to say quickly that a couple of people have been messaging me on Instagram, which you can find down below in the description, asked me what's the best way to start trading. Now, I started off like a lot of people on YouTube, trying to find free information and using that to try to make money. And it might work for like a week or two, but really if you want to take trading seriously, you do need to find a mentor or a course that suits you. And how I trade right now and how I've been trading for the last year has been with KB Trading and Sam KB, who you can also find on YouTube. And if you like his content, you can look more into what he offers. But yeah, just want to say that quickly, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully learned something new, and happy trading. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, take care.